In this video, we will walk through the unboxing of the Channel Master CM-1776 outdoor TV antenna. Upon opening the box, you'll find a large and rigid insert card with the antenna's assembly instructions on the back. Here we have the center boom of the antenna. The front UHF elements will come pre-attached. Toward the middle and back of the boom, there are holes labeled with lettered stickers. The lettered stickers are used as an aid to help identify where the loose parts and hardware connect. The boom also comes with a premium balun matching transformer secured to the bottom. The hardware needed for connecting the loose parts will also include lettered sticker labels that correspond to the specific part and location where they connect to on the boom. A card on the back invites you to register the product online at channelmaster.com. There are a total of 3 loose parts. Each part will also include the same lettered sticker labels which help identify where they go. Heavy-duty U-bolt mounting hardware is also included, along with instructions for how to secure the antenna to a mast or pole. This concludes the unboxing of the Channel Master CM-1776 antenna. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel and visit us online at channelmaster.com.